Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Siri without internet on iOS 17. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you here I'm connected with the Wi-Fi. So let me show you here guys. Now I'm going to open the settings. So from here guys, you have to scroll down and locate for Siri and search. So you can see here guys, here is showing Siri and search option. Just simply you have to tap on that. Once you tap on that, just simply you have to set up the Siri with your internet. Once you have set it guys, after that you have to turn on both of these toggle. Press side button for Siri, allow Siri when locked. So you have to turn on these toggles. Let me put the passcode. Now I have turned on both of these toggles. Just simply you have to close this page. Now it's done from here guys. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to disconnect with the internet. So let me tell you that when you turn on both of these toggles, just simply you have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. After waiting some time guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn off the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let me turn off it. So let me do it guys. So just simply you have to press the side button and just simply you have to tap that Siri or Hey Siri. Okay guys, so you have to do that. So let me show you here guys. Hey Siri, set the timer of 5 minutes. As you can see guys, the timer has been set. As you can see guys, Siri is working properly without internet. Okay guys, so you have to voice that Hey Siri or Siri. So just simply you have to close this bit. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.